So today I'm going to teach you one more concept on side pocketing. So what is basically side pocketing? So let me explain you. In mutual funds, debt funds, earlier we used to have the impression कि भाई जितना YTM है that is my return and everything used to go very normally. But in recent years, it has happened due to so many reasons that NPAs have been occurred, and certain companies have not been able to pay back to the mutual funds, to the debt funds. So what happens here is, suppose you have some, for a very easy example, 100 rupees. Out of that 100 rupees in a debt fund, there is some 10 rupees invested in an X company, and or 5 or 10 rupees, and that company is not, that one or two company are not able to pay back that 5 or 10 rupees. So what happens, suppose the NAV of that fund is 10 rupees, and because that out of that 100, that 5 or 10 rupees did not come back, so out of that 10 rupee NAV, 5 to 10% of the NAV, जितना पैसा आया नहीं है उतना नेगेटिव हो जाएगा. Now because the NAV will go down to 9.5, 9 or 9.5, it will be a loss to the investor. Now necessarily the investor will do three things. An investor will either exit from that fund at that point of time, or the investor will stay put, or the investor will buy more money. If the investor exits at that point of time, एंड फ्यूचर में अगर तो वो लॉस पे निकल गया, एंड फ्यूचर में अगर कोई रिकवरी होता है, देन ही इज़ नॉट एंटाइटल्ड टू दैट रिकवरी. He will only, and if a new investor would have entered that fund at a discounted NAV, he would have, the new investor would have, एंड अगर उस टाइम पे रिकवरी होता है वो पर्टिकुलर पेपर्स में से, तो द न्यू इन्वेस्टर वुड बी बेनिफिटेड आउट ऑफ इट. टू give the benefit to the existing investors, for the benefit of the investors, the rule of this side pocketing came, wherein the portfolio at the same day itself, जब पता चलता है कि this money is having some problem in recovery, it is segregated, and hence in your fund you will see sometimes in debt portfolio that there is a main fund, and for the same fund there is a segregated fund. So this segregated fund is kept aside with the same amount of existing investor. So what happens here is that this existing, whenever in future, एक साल बाद, 1.5 साल बाद, whenever this recovery from those papers come, then even if you have exited that fund, you are as an old investor entitled to that recovery. And even if the new investor entered at that point of time, only he doesn't benefit out of that. So actually it is very good and in benefit of the investors that the segregation has happened. So even in future, if the amount the company will get from those companies as a recovery, you will be entitled, kitna bhi recovery aaya, 60, 70, 90%, but you will be entitled to that money even if you have exited that fund. So don't, I hope that addresses the query that why the portfolios are showing segregation. And don't worry, it is in only benefits of the investor. So stay invested, and keep investing. If there's any query, we are always there for you to address your query. Put a mail to us at alphawealthmoney@gmail.com, and subscribe to the channel for more educative series like this. Thank you.